हमने सुना है कि इस बार ऑस्कर के रेड कार्पेट पे आप चलने वाले, इज इट ट्रू? इसके बारे में हम जानना चाहेंगे.
Would you like to answer that, or should I tell Justin's friend where to get off?
Justin's friend.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a gentleman with a question.
Yep. Hi,
Go for
Deepika
it.
here. Justin. Justin from PTI. Yeah.
Thanks. He's only saying hi to Deepika, so we're fine.
Well, no. Hi to everybody.
He was like, Justin. I'm Justin.
Yeah.
Just in the banquet hall.
Right. So Deepika, I mean, congratulations. I mean, we are seeing you back after Triple X. Big year for you. 2017 began on a very happy note. How happy and content are you with the success of the film? And does that relieve you a lot of pressure and make you proud that the film did so well?
Yes, of course. I think anything that you put your heart and soul into, when you see the results, when you see how it's, for me, I think what was heartening and what really got me emotional was the way India embraced the film, and a lot of them sitting right here. I think just the way everyone embraced the film, everyone in the way I think that maybe my performance or even the fact that maybe the way I spoke in the film, I think all of those things were very well received, and I think that makes me really happy, because to step out of your comfort zone and to work in a territory that you're absolutely unfamiliar with, and not knowing what the end result might be, but then to actually see that translate into this kind of love and appreciation, it makes me feel like it's worth taking all of those risks.
Okay, Justin, you've been very naughty. You're not allowed to ask questions that are not connected to what we've been discussing here today. You want to know how to shave your legs?
Not right now.
Dr. Shetty will teach you, will tell you.
No, but a related question now.
It better be a related question, because otherwise I'm going to knock you out of the park.
No, Neha, Deepika and Soha, for all three of you, I just wanted to know, are there days when you feel a lot of pressure to always look good, to always look beautiful, considering that we are in an industry where a lot of focus is there on glamour? So are there days like that?
Every day, and especially when I scroll and I see my Instagram feed and suddenly Deepika's picture pops up, it's the worst feeling in the world, yes. And Soha's, of course. But Soha and me can like say these things to each other all the time. I don't
Best
get to say
feeling in
this.
the world, because it's inspirational, isn't it?
Sure. No, let's just be honest. It's not. It's just like, oh my God, how does she look good all the time? Yes, that's too much pressure.
Neha just has this way of pulling my leg every time,
Not
in
true.
public and in private. She just knows how to do
she's
it.
gorgeous. And so is Soha and Ma'am, of course. And Mandira, of course. Please, somebody take over. And everybody here.
Okay, so how would you like to...
Is there pressure? I don't know. I think it depends from individual to individual. I think it depends on... A lot of people have a different way of handling it. And I wouldn't say there's pressure. Is there expectation? Yes. I think there is a lot of expectation from everyone to always look a certain way. And then I think it depends. Like, for me, it really doesn't matter. If I've had a long flight and if I look great, great. But if I don't look great, that's also okay. You know, it's totally okay to not have great days. It's totally okay to not feel your best or to have low days. I think you have to allow yourself that much and not be so hard on yourself.
And I think it's amazing now that the media is literally everywhere. You come out of the gym, you get off a flight in the middle of the night, and you know, everyone can see just how natural you are. It's a wonderful thing.
Justin's friend has a question, that's right.
हेलो मंदिरा से माफी मांगते हुए मैं भी एक सवाल
नहीं, आप नहीं पूछ सकते, सॉरी.
मैं दीपिका से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि
नहीं, अगर ये लॉन्च से रिलेटेड नहीं है, आई एम सॉरी.
क्योंकि जस्टिन ने पूछा इसलिए मैं भी चाहता हूँ.
पर जस्टिन वाज जस्ट इन टाइम, ही गॉट अवे विद इट.
दीपिका, मेरा सवाल ये कि हमने सुना है कि इस बार ऑस्कर के रेड कार्पेट पे आप चलने वाले, इज इट ट्रू? इसके बारे में हम जानना चाहेंगे.
Would you like to answer that, or should I tell Justin's friend where to get off?
Justin's friend. It's an interesting question.
Yes or no question?
No. Huh? Give him justice. Give Justin justice.
So
Right. Do we have any more questions?
Hi.
But if I do decide to, I'll definitely take Gillette along.
Yes. We want to hear that.
Hi, Deepika, Sohan.
Where?
Hello.
Where?
Neha.
Hi.
Oh, hello. Yes.
Oh, Che's here.
Yes. So, मेरा सवाल कोई भी जवाब दे सकता है क्योंकि आप लोग जब घर से निकलते हैं तो घर में रख रखाव माँ से सीखते हैं, करीबी लोगों से सीखते हैं. जब ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं देन आसपास के लोगों से सीखते हैं. और दीपिका अभी आप हॉलीवुड भी जा चुकी हैं तो वहाँ के लोगों का भी रख रखाव देखा होगा आपने. किस तरीके से ये बदलाव देखती हैं, लाइक शेविंग एंड वट एवर, जिस तरीके से ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में वो खुद का रख रखाव, तो क्या अंतर पाती हैं आप दीपिका, अगर शेयर कर सकें या आप तीनों में से कोई भी बता सके?
Did you get the question?
हर जगह ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में जब आप रहते हैं तो क्या अंतर पाते हैं? हॉलीवुड में किस तरीके से एक्ट्रेसेस या एक्टर्स अपना ख्याल रखते हैं फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम?
देखिए, एडवाइस तो आपको बहुत मिलेगी और हमें इतना एडवाइस चाहिए नहीं. तो आई थिंक कि जो लोग आप ट्रस्ट करते हैं, अगर आपकी माँ हो, अगर आपके कोई क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हो जो आप ट्रस्ट करते हैं, अगर कोई ब्रांड्स हो जैसे दीपिका ने कहा जो मार्केट में बहुत सालों से हैं, जैसे कि जिलेट, जैसे कि वीनस, तो फिर आप वो ट्रस्ट के जरिए आगे चलेंगे. इट्स नॉट दैट अदरवाइज देयर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल हु हैव थिंग्स टू टेल यू अबाउट व्हाट इज गुड एंड इट आल्सो चेंजेस एवरी वीक. One day they'll tell you something is good for you and the next week it's not good for you. So you can't just go by people's opinions.
और कोई ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ पे आप लोग को क्लिक किया जाता है लेकिन वो जगह अच्छी नहीं होती, आपको बड़ा अजीब लगता है कि कोई आया फोटो खींच के चला गया या कोई वीडियो बना के चला गया?
Yeah, sorry, press. Sorry, press. हाँ, बहुत ऐसी जगह होती हैं, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर टेकन बाय सरप्राइज, जैसे कि रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर या फिर जिम के बाहर या फिर एयरपोर्ट के बाहर या फिर वहाँ सब, मतलब आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी if I don't get clicked on those places, but you finished? I love these guys. No. They know I love them, but he asked me a very objective question कि कहाँ आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता. पर अगर आप आ रहे हैं तो हमें बता दीजिए, कहीं किसी तरीके से इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए कि थोड़ा हम बाल बनाएं, क्योंकि मैं तो मतलब जब फ्लाइट में सोती हूँ तो पूरा ऐसे मुंह खोल के सोती हूँ. So by the time I wake up and wipe my face off,
फिर हम तैयार भी होते हैं और फिर आप नहीं मिलते हैं.
हाँ, बस जिस दिन हम तैयार होके बाहर निकलते हैं तो प्रेस वाला नहीं होता है. ऐसे कैसे करते हो यार आप?
Right, any more questions? Yes.
Hi to everyone. This is Sohail from Glamsham. Deepika and all of you all, as a teenage
we are
girl...
crowd. Deepika and all of you all.
As a teenage girl, what was the myth regarding like shaving? And in today's world, technology has come so much that you have that permanent hair removal actually. So do you really feel the need for a razor actually?
Okay, 1 second. Can I just correct that one thing? So there is nothing like permanent hair removal. As you said, there's an advantage.
Through laser? No, it's not.
No. It's only reduction there also. So therefore, there is nothing on earth which can permanently remove your hair. It's reduction. Those are all just probably sales pitches. So it's only reduction. And that too after many, many sittings. It is not after 4 sittings or 5 sittings. So that's just a little correction. But there is.
सोहेल देखो, आपने कुछ नया सीखा आज.
हाँ, maybe even they might be having a myth also. I think there are lots of people. Any message to the viewers or to the girls or to the women actually, lots of myths are there regarding lots of things actually.
What message would you give a teenager?
First
perhaps?
thing, as a teenager, what myth you had?
I think for the question that you asked, I think specifically, I think Reshma is the right person in terms of what advice, because she's Rashmi. Sorry, I don't know why I keep her, because she's the only qualified person. But for me, what I would say to young girls, I would say do what you think is best for you, because different things work for different people. Something that might work for me might not work for somebody else. So, amongst my friends, we can say, this works for me, that works. But eventually, I think if there's any professional advice, I think Reshma would be the best person. Rashmi. I didn't say Reshma, I said Rashmi.
Sure. So I know everybody mixes it up with Reshma Shetty.
As a young teenager, what was your myth actually at that time, when in the beginning actually? Because I don't think so at that time we had razors actually, maybe especially for the ladies actually. You had the hair removing creams.
Honestly, for a very long, actually until I started working, I didn't even look into this aspect of my life because for some reason I was an athlete and I had literally, it didn't even cross my mind to think about hair removal or my eyebrows or my hair or anything of that sort. I think at that point it was literally wake up in the morning, go to the field, do my training, go to school, come back. I had a very different life. And so I don't think back then these things, I didn't think of these things back then. But if there's anything that my mother told me, she said, at least as far as my skincare and all of that was concerned, she said less is more. So don't do too much to your skin. And fortunately, I've been blessed with great genes and amazing skin. So the less you do, the better.